This evening, a medical doctor is speaking out with the hope of clearing his name after his image was posted online as a doctor who allegedly raped a 15-year-old girl in Portmore St. Catherine last month. Dr. Garth MacDonald says the online posting, which point the finger at him, has been causing distress. The police say the doctor they want for questioning is still at large. TVJ's Kirk Wright has his primetime news follow-up.
For the last few days, medical doctor Garth Anthony MacDonald has been spending his time trying to clear the air about this post, which has been circulating on social media, suggesting he is the doctor who recently raped a 15-year-old girl at a practice in Portmore St. Catherine. The alleged rape took place on the 27th of August. Dr. MacDonald says at the time he was off the island.
I have been overseas since the 17th of July, came back on the 11th of September.
It was 2 days before he came back to Jamaica that Dr. MacDonald says he started getting calls from relatives and friends about the disturbing posting. The doctor says the incident is causing distress to his entire family.
Yes, my wife was devastated, mother. Since I left the U.S., my family just migrated to the U.S., so they were actually crying there to console each other when I left.
Dr. MacDonald says the posting can potentially shatter his credibility. That's why he has come public.
Because I know I'm completely innocent. I know I'm not a suspect. I'm not a person of interest. I walked into a couple police stations, cybercrime unit and CTOC, and walked out, and they called to verify the image of the alleged perpetrator, and I just didn't fit.
What the police can say at this time is that we understand that there's a post out in the media suggesting that a particular named doctor is the doctor that the police is interested in as relates to the rape of that child on the 6th of August. We can say at this time that that name that is on the post is not the name of the doctor that we are interested in.
What has happened to Dr. MacDonald is absolutely abominable, scandalous.
His attorney, Ian Wilkinson, says Dr. MacDonald has been defamed and can take action.
Less than 10 years ago, we passed a Cyber Crimes Act, and it is possible that what these people have done can amount to criminal conduct under that legislation. That is something which has to be ventilated, pursued as well.
The doctor says his intention is not to destroy the blogger who made the posting, but to ensure his name is cleared and to ensure the blogger acts more responsible. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.